Hi there, pros and bosses. So today we are going to show you how you are going to find those people who actually gave you information with your survey. So dito naiipon lahat ng mga surveys mo. So again, you are going to sign in to your Gmail account. And then, again, click this square dotted icon, no? Scroll down ka sa baba, and you will see forms. So, sa taas na section na to, dyan yung mga pagpipilian mo, which type of form you're going to use to create a survey. Pero dito sa baba, ito na yung mga created and done surveys mo. So, as you remember, I made this last May 18. So, we're going to click this. And, mapapansin mo dito sa above section, meron akong bagong responses. May 5, no? So, let's open it. Yan. So, makikita mo dito sa baba yung summary ng mga bagong nag-opt-in today. Okay? So, ayan, they gave their email address, their contact numbers, and their written response. Okay, so the good thing about this is makikita mo rito yung mga individual responses nila. Okay? Yan, for example, ako tinest ko siya, no? And then i-click mo yung next, and then ito naman yung isa. Ito naman yung isang student, yan yung mga responses niya. So, simple lang kasi yung tinanong ko dito kung ano pa yung mga lessons na gusto nilang ma-add sa pagbibuild ng kanilang funnels, no? So, she said she wanted to learn integration, pixels, and marketing content. Catchy marketing content. So, now, since you have this, you can actually save this data Excel form, and then pag na-save mo na siya sa Excel form, isa-isa, pwede mo nang i-convert yung Excel form na yon into a CSV form para ma-upload mo kay Facebook one day para ma-target sila. Alright, so that's how simple it is, para mahanap mo yung mga responses ng mga tao individually, no, or as a summary. So, just to show you how to do the compilation of data, no? So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Excel files, no? And ika-categorize mo lang ngayon yung mga names ng mga survey people. For example, yung name is, ako na lang, no? Princess Wylene. And then, tab. And then, hanapin mo dito sa survey form yung kanyang email. For example, ako, no? Kakopy mo yan, tapos lagay mo dito. Okay, and then, balik ka. Lagay mo rin yung contact number nila. Okay, so, ngayon, naka-compress na siya as a full data. Actually, you can save it, no? Save mo siya as, pag naipon mo na sila, you can save as, dito, pipiliin mo, CSV. Ito, CSV, delimited.cc. So, mangyayari niya, no, pag na-save mo to, no, retargeting, pwede mo siyang pangalan, retargeting for Facebook ads. Hahanapin ngayon ni Facebook yung mga pangalan na yan at saka yung email address na yan kung magtutugma siya, no? Save natin sa desktop, ha. Kung magtutugma siya sa email na binigay nila, mahahanap yung profile nila and mare-retarget sila. So, imbes na ganito yung format, kasi hindi Excel file ang gusto na format ni Facebook kapag mag-a-upload ka ng details ng mga target audiences mo, no? Ang gusto niyang format is CSV file, which looks like this. Yan. So, ganyan ngayon yung format ng CSV file mo. And all you need to do is to just save it, no? Tapos, i-upload mo na siya doon sa retargeting audiences mo para mapakitaan mo pa sila ng any advertisement na papatakbuhin mo sa Facebook gamit itong mga details na to. I hope you learned a lot with Google Form survey, and you can start implementing it now. So another tip that I would like to discuss is that how you're going to maximize top most important hack dito sa Google Forms is that kung gusto nyo na ma-update kayo every time someone is filling up the form, so all you need to do is to click this three dotted button and then i-check mark nyo lang to. No? So, naka-check mark dito. So, mano-notify kayo sa email nyo that every time someone responded to your survey form, magsasend siya ng email sa inyong Gmail account. But you have to make sure, na dito, itong account nyo dito is yung email na palagi ninyong ginagamit. Kasi diyan ipapadala yung notification. So, the next thing that I would like to share to you, aside from creating a link which we discussed earlier, na kung saan ito yung link na ipapadala mo via email or via messenger or through email autoresponder or Manychat broadcast, just don't forget to shorten the link para mas maiksi siya, or gumamit ka ng Bitly or Rebrandly para mas ma-personalize yung link na yan. So, aside sa pagsisend ng link as a strategy of broadcasting your survey to a lot of people or through using Facebook group community, by giving this link again, is that you can actually use the embedded HTML. So, ano ba yung embedded HTML na yan? It means that once you have this link with you, bahala kang magre-design kung gaano kalaki lang yung magiging viewing ng form mo or survey form sa iyong website or sa iyong marketing page. So, you actually have the freedom para baguhin itong size na yan. So, let's say maliit lang, 800, and then okay na yan. Just make sure na nabago mo na siya dito, bago mo i-copy itong nasa taas, kasi kung ano man yung setup mo dito, may babaguhin pa siya dito. So again, make sure to change the sizes of width and height bago mo i-copy itong format na to sa taas or yung coding, or just simply click it here, and then punta ka ngayon sa funnel builder mo. Wherein nandito ako ngayon, for example, sa Ninja Pro Club marketing page ko. So, edit mo lang yan. And then, all you need to do, for example, is that I want to add, dito, yung survey form ko. So, you are going to search for an element. Okay, we have learned already what is an element. So, these are just the basic ingredients of building a page. So, now, we are going to look for element na HTML. There you go, custom HTML. So, pag click mo yan, the good thing about us is that yung software natin, siya na yung nag-a-adjust actually ng size, But let's see what Google Form is going to do, kasi nga meron siyang sizing doon. Meron din tayong sarili nating adjustable drag and drop technology sizing. So for the meantime, let us just paste the code here, paste mo siya dyan, and then matic yan, dito yan magre-reflect. Okay, just don't forget to click out, para mag-save siya doon, and click mo rin yung save dito. Okay? And then, click mo rin yung save dito. Finish. Okay? So, never ever forget to click finish here. And now, we're going to view our work. View natin siya. There you go. So, nandito siya. So, ang nasunod dito is yung natin. Yung funnel natin. So, let's see. Dahil ganito lang siya kalaki, ganun lang din kalaki. So, let's adjust, our form. Okay, save natin ulit. Ayan. So, dito na siya. So, mas better siguro, kung gagawa kayo ng survey form, ayun, na-adjust siya. It's really nice. So, mas maganda pala, kung ang nilagay natin is yung image nasa taas. So, kayo na mag-adjust ng form nyo, but at least you see the idea how you can integrate your survey forms sa inyong mga pages. Alright? So, just don't forget to limit your goal sa isang page, no? Kung gusto mo lang ng survey form, kagaya nito, wag ka na maglagay ng opt-in form. Okay? Survey form lang, and maybe you can add your hero page sa baba, kagaya nito. Okay? So, the reason to that is that, yes, we don't want to confuse our traffic, no, our target audiences, because we are getting their emails here anyway, no? Bakit pa kailangan ng opt-in form? Okay, this is just for the sake that you understand how you could possibly maximize your idea about using Google Forms as your survey page. So another tip that I'm going to share to you is very particular to those teachers and coaches like me who would like to give their students a quiz or an online exam in order for you to actually test the knowledge and the skills of your students. So what I have here is a typical form that we use here in Google Form. So the first headline is something like this, whatever you want to write there. Tapos dito yung subheadline niya, at pwede na kayo maglagay ng mga questions. Ang pinili ko dito is multiple questions. So, in order for us to add another question, all you need to do is to click add question. And then dito, pwedeng paragraph yung pipiliin mo or short answer. So, for example, what is the difference between marketing funnel, between marketing page and sales page? Tapos dito yung short answer. Okay, so click add para makapagdagdag ka ulit. So let's say that's it, no? So kunyari, no, yan lang yung mga questions natin. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to click settings and then go to this category, quizzes, and then i-highlight mo itong make this a quiz. By doing that, meron kang option dito to give points to every answer of your student. So, you can choose between either you're going to give them immediately their points right after submission, or pwede mo silang gradean later after manual review. So, para sa akin, no, ako na yung magde-decide kasi isa-set up na naman natin later kung tama yung sagot nila or hindi. So, I will just click immediately after each submission. So, dito, I highly recommend na i-highlight ninyo lahat ng to para ma-automate nyo yung mga sagot sa bawat tanong na sasagutan nila. So, simply click save. Mapapansin mo right away, may nag-highlight dito sa baba. So, what you're going to do is that every question here na ginawa mo, no, let's say, ito yung pinakauna sa answer key, i-click mo lang siya, and then you are going to see that it gave you a box here kung ilang points yung ibibigay mo kapag tama yung sagot. So first, piliin mo muna yung tamang sagot, no? What is the role of a funnel? And then click mo yung all of the above, for example, and then give the student a point. So for example, 5. Okay, and then click done. Alright. So dito naman, short answer. So click mo lang tong portion na to, no, para mag-highlight yung answer key. Click mo lang din yan para magpakita yung points dito. And then, kapag ang sagot dito is, for example, what is the difference between marketing page and sales page? So, magpapaliwanag sila dyan, no? So, dito kasi guys, ang mangyayari dito, every student have their own opinion what is a marketing page and a sales page. Okay, so maaaring pwede nilang i-discuss dito na sa marketing page, no, you're just promoting, no, nag-aano ka pa lang ng brand mo, etc. So, pag nag-trigger yung word na promoting, tapos dito selling, no, okay na yon, no? So, mark all other answers incorrect kapag ka hindi ito yung lumabas sa mga sentences nila. So, pagka nagbigay kasi kayo ng quiz na short answer, dapat talaga dito actually very specific type of answer yung lalabas. So, let's say, ang specific na sagot dito is funnel. Yun lang talagang pinaka-specific na sagot. Pwede mo ngayon i-click dito yung mark all other answers as incorrect. Pero kapag ang sinagot nila is funnel, okay, magkakaroon sila ng, for example, 5 points. Okay? So, ganun lang siya kasimple. So, all you need to do now with this is to, again, click responses, tas make sure na get email notification ka para every time na nag-quiz yung mga student mo, nagkakaroon ka ng reminder. Alright? Sa newsfeed mo. So, another example that we have here is what we call the interactive questionnaires according to the behavior or response of your students or the people who are doing the survey. So, for example, gagawin mo, ika-categorize mo yung mga questions mo according to sections. Okay, so all you need to do is to click add sections dito. No, so, mangyayari niyan, meron kang section 1 and section 2. So, for example, sa question number 1 mo, ang sagot nila is yes. Ang mangyayari niyan, automatically, walang problema doon. Let's say, they said, do you enjoy our services? Ang mangyayari, mapupunta na sila sa submit button agad. Pero kung ang sagot nila is no, mapupunta sila dito sa section number 2. Alright? So, to show that, for example, dito sa first section mo, ang question mo is, do you enjoy our service? Ang sagot nila is no. Okay? Ang mangyayari niyan, kapag sinetup mo siya na go to section based on answer by clicking this 3-dotted button, let's say dito sa yes button na to, kapag kinlik nila is yes, ang magiging trigger response yan is automatic mapupunta na sila sa submit button, sa submit form. Pero kapag no ang sagot nila, dapat mapunta sila sa section 2. Okay? So, ganun yung mangyayari. So, let's say, ang sagot naman nila is other. Let's say, for the sake of tutorial, mapunta na lang din sila sa submit form. Now, another step na dapat mong gawin, every section na ginawa mo, pupunta ka ngayon dito sa arrow button na to and make sure that you're going to select submit form. Ibig sabihin, every time na natapos nila yung section 1, wala silang ibang pupuntahan kundi sa submit form. Okay? Ganun din sa section 2. You will see the arrow button sa dulo, and don't forget to click that arrow button and then click submit form. Now, i-view natin siya. So, let's say dito sa section 1, kapag ang sagot nila is yes, and then kinlik nila yung next, the next thing na makikita nila is submit form. Okay? Now, let's refresh. For example, ang sagot naman nila is no. Tapos, kinlik nila ngayon yung next, yon, mapupunta sila sa section 2. Okay? And we can extract more question from them, pero wala silang ibang mapupuntahan. At the end, either kinlik nila yung yes or no, section 1 or section 2, submit form pa rin ang magiging ending ng journey nila. So, I hope you learned a lot with this lesson. So, I'm going to share to you the last topic, which is add video to your form. So now the next topic is adding video to your forms. If you want to create a tutorial or some specific instructions on how they're going to answer your Google form, all you need to do is to click the video icon here, and then pwede mo na siyang i-drag sa iyong section. Okay? Pagka-drag mo niyan, pwede ka nang mag-embed via URL, or kapag meron ka ng mga nakasave na video dyan, mahahanap niya na yon. Okay? And then, pwede mo nang piliin, select, and automatically papasok na siya dyan sa yung section area. Pwede mo siyang i-drag sa taas para kapag na-open nila yung survey form mo, na-open nila yung link, makikita nila agad yung pinaka-video mo. Pero mas maganda kung lagyan mo ng title, let's say, watch this video, and then answer the questions below. Okay, so, ngayon, ang maganda dyan, bukod sa meron na silang instruction on how to answer the questions, nag-guide mo pa talaga sila at nagkakaroon ka ng brand exposure. So, this is how it works. Again, I already told you before how to align this like centered or left or right area siya. So I hope you learned a lot of things with this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next lesson.